Welcome to Bike Lab, your hub for straight-to-the-point motorcycle insights. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom, a cruiser that continues to refine what riders love about Honda's timeless Shadow lineup. A modern classic evolves. The 2026 Shadow Phantom stays true to its low-slung cruiser identity but arrives with subtle refinements. Honda keeps the bike's minimalist, blacked-out aesthetic while introducing updated ergonomics, smoother power delivery, and a few long-awaited technology upgrades. It's still unmistakably a Shadow, just sharper, tighter, and more tuned for everyday riding. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Phantom is Honda's dependable liquid-cooled V-twin engine. For 2026, the tuning focuses on cleaner emissions and a slightly broader torque curve, giving riders more pull in the low and mid-range. Acceleration feels confident, not aggressive, and the engine's signature throb remains smooth and approachable, ideal for both new and seasoned riders. Ride and handling. The chassis geometry remains relaxed, offering the classic cruiser stance, but the suspension receives incremental improvements for better comfort over rough pavement. The bike tracks predictably in turns and remains stable at highway speeds. Honda's low seat height continues to make the Phantom accessible for riders of all sizes. Technology and features. Honda integrates subtle but welcome tech upgrades for 2026, improved LED lighting, a cleaner digital analog hybrid gauge, and optional rider assist features like selectable traction control. Nothing flashy, just functional enhancements designed to make the ride safer and more intuitive. Design and ergonomics. The Shadow Phantom keeps its matte finishes, bobber-inspired fenders, and classic teardrop tank. The seating position remains upright and relaxed, with mid-mounted controls that favor long-distance friendliness. This year's model introduces refined seat padding and slightly repositioned handlebars for reduced fatigue on longer rides. Practicality and ownership. Honda's reputation for reliability is a major selling point, and the 2026 Phantom is built with longevity in mind. Low maintenance costs, approachable power, and strong fuel efficiency make it a practical cruiser for daily use or weekend escapes. It's a motorcycle that asks for little but delivers consistently. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom isn't trying to reinvent the cruiser world, it's perfecting its own lane. With tasteful updates, dependable performance, and a timeless look, it continues to stand as one of the most rider-friendly cruisers in its class. Thanks for watching this breakdown from Bike Lab. Stay tuned for more motorcycle insights, and ride safe.